We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related medical terms as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? In British English, it is usually pronounced as neurorrhaphy, neurorrhaphy. In American English, however, it is usually pronounced as neurorrhaphy, with a new sound rather than a new sound at the beginning. Neurorrhaphy in American English versus neurorrhaphy in British English, and now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.